Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening System Settings and going straight to General, then Login Items. This view shows apps set to open at Login and Background Agents. You need to confirm which entries are truly necessary. Once you see the list, select a single app you don't want launching. Click the minus button to remove it, or use the plus to add apps intentionally. Make sure to check both the user login items and any profiles or managed settings if this Mac is corporate managed. Next, dive into the apps themselves because many still relaunch via their own prefs. Open the app's preferences or settings and look for options like Open at Login or Start on Boot. Toggle those off. Quit the app fully and relaunch to ensure the change persisted. If something keeps coming back, open Activity Monitor to spot helper processes and quit them, then remove any helpers from login items. This prevents apps from re-adding themselves silently. Finish by restarting the Mac to validate that removed items no longer open at startup. If an app persists, inspect Launch Agents and Launch Daemons folders in both your home and system library for plist files. Move offending plists to a backup folder and reboot. If the problem continues, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party extension or login item is responsible. One key tip: if you remove plists, keep backups so you can restore them if something breaks unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.